What's up, y'all? Found the beef tenderloin today, y'all. So check it. We gonna make about 3-4 meals out this bad boy. Got it for $28, y'all. You know that's the hookup, man. You know it's the hookup. I say it's better have a good piece of meat than a bad one. But anyway, let's get it. So check it, y'all. We gonna start off with this piece on the side. Now this is what we cooking today, y'all. So let me go and get this cut off. Now the most important thing that we need to think about, hey, after we get this piece cut off, we need to start cleaning them up. Now, we don't need all this extra fat, but we don't want to throw it away neither. Why waste it? Why waste it? Hey, we make us some good sausages. Gonna make us some burgers. Hey, we gonna do some things with this fat. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this piece that we working on cut up. Cause this gonna be for our sandwiches. So for today, y'all. For today. But anyway, don't forget, hit that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe. And hit that notification bell, y'all. And leave me a comment down below. So let's put this on to the side because this is for our sandwich. Now this here for that freezer, y'all. We gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. So when we take it out, it's already ready to go, y'all. Ready. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and put it on that grill. Now this is what I came out with. I had 3 more dinners ready. Now the small one, I'm gonna make that in hamburgers with my trimmings. And the other 2, one of them I'm taking on my camera trip. And the other one gonna be for me and wifey. But anyway, let's get our bread onto our griddle. Now once we get our bread onto our griddle, we gonna go ahead and get our meat down, y'all. Now this here is that thin meat cut tenderloin, y'all. Y'all know tenderloin, right, y'all? So what I'm looking for is like a medium. But we gonna go ahead and rain on with a little pepper, a little salt. Y'all know what time it is. You know you gotta rain on. And of course, my favorite, y'all, that cayenne pepper, y'all. You know I like that cayenne. Oh yeah, look at that beef. That beef looking good, y'all. So we gonna go ahead and get our onions and our bell peppers on. Oh my goodness. Straight steak sandwich. I don't really want to call it a Philly because you wouldn't use no Philly on no tenderloin. Philly cheesesteak is a little bit different, but this is just like a cheesesteak, y'all. I guess a little bit amped up because we using that tenderloin, but hey, that sounds gonna be good. And at that price, yes sir. And plus we gonna make 2-3 meals. Me and wifey gonna eat good off this here. And I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, she love this sandwich. So this here is some mozzarella cheese. Y'all know I like my mozz. And then, hey, I know how to make mozzarella cheese from scratch. If y'all want me to make a video of me making this mozz from scratch, hey, leave a comment down below, because it ain't that hard. All you need is some rennet. But anyway, let's get our tops on there. And hey, give you about maybe 2 minutes with your top on there for that cheese to melt real good on your sandwich. Get it on off of there. And you got you a good cheesesteak, y'all. I ain't even saying Philly cheesesteak. I'm just gonna say a cheesesteak. A Philly cheesesteak just on a whole nother level. Hey, if you ever go to Philly, you gotta check one out. Get one straight off the. Oh my goodness, straight off the grill, just hot and ready. And anyway, had a moment, y'all. But yeah, check out that sandwich, y'all. Check it out. When eat good. When eat good.
So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about it, check out one of these other 2 videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.